Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like gents half setup, full setup, baby setup. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 5 plus 2 stitches, multiple of 5 plus 2 stitches. So let's begin. And if you want to learn this border pattern, then link is in description box. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. For demonstration, here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 15 stitches, multiple of 5, 3 times 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 plus 2 stitches 17. And here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. First row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row, purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. This is third row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3. 1, 2, 3. This is third stitch, and from second hole of this stitch, this is first and second. From back loop, pick up this second hole and make 5 stitches from this loop. 1, yarn over 2, knit again, 3, yarn over 4, knit again, 5. Drop this stitch, knit 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 3. After that, from second hole of third stitch, we make 6 stitches, and here we have total 5 stitches, and here we have total 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and knit 2. This is 5 stitches pattern. 2, 4, 5. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Pick up second loop. This is first and second loop from back loop. Pick up second hole and make 5 stitches from this loop. First way, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5, knit 2, 1, 2. One more time, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Pick up second loop. This is first, second. Pick up this second loop and make 5. This is I have one loop of third stitch and make 5 more stitches, more loops from this hole. 1, yarn over 2, knit again 3, yarn over 4, knit again 5, knit 2, 1, 2. Have we complete 3 times repeat pattern, and last a stitch, knit a stitch from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row wrong side, slip edge, yarn in back and knit together from front loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? Knit together, knit together, knit together, again knit together. Here we 5 times make knit together 1 2 3 4 5. Again we repeat this pattern. Knit together, 1, knit together, 2, knit together, 3, knit together, 4, knit together, 5. One more time. Knit together, 1, knit together, 2, knit together, 3, knit together, 4, knit together, 5, and a stitch, pull a stitch from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of N. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.